New Bold Serving Dish, the Bambita Tagbilaran. This is the Bambita Tagbilaran, a culinary mosaic, woven from the diverse ones of the Holy Pass. Much like the legacy of the man to whom space tribute, the late Professor Marianito Lusco, the island finance historian, who researched this dish and shared with us, we will see from. This heirloom recipe ingredients traced back to the Chinese Bolano families of Tagbilaran. When Professor Lusco trusted this recipe to us, Sir Nick was not merely passing down instruction for a meal, he was preserving a fragment of the whole soul. He insisted also that the sauce for the serving cups, just like cow, is what in the past. May every spoonful of this, heirloom dish, reach into your heart the unique flavors of all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Medal ba yung medal?
Speech. Sir Louis. Speech. Speech.
Magkano? Sakto?
Perfect.
Sinong lang, sir? Sa Ilaw.
Sideline, waktu ba?
Saan ba? Taga ng tapan ba? Taga na?
Julie, I just have that.
Ikaw tayo taga-translate ito. Pinamang.
Namadaan to. Tataanin dyan.
Mga badi ato. Kami na.